it's Melanie. Happy Monday. Welcome to another Mask Monday. Today we're going to be talking about a sheet mask. I have used 3 of these particular sheet masks now and have really enjoyed them, and I wanted to be sure to get this video up today because Sephora is starting the 20% off surprise rouge sale. VIB does get to shop for 15% off. I don't remember the start date for VIB, but I did mention it in my rouge wish list video that I did last week, so reference that for the dates. But I wanted to tell you guys about these masks because you can find Saturday Skin at Sephora. They're pretty affordable to start with, but with 20% off, it might be a good time to either just plop one in your cart or grab a few if you know that you really like them and be able to get them at a discount. What are we talking about? We're talking about this. This is the Saturday Skin Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask. I have used several things from Saturday Skin. They have some really great products in their line. They are a Korean skincare brand. I have used their cleanser. I've used their manual exfoliator. Their eye cream is actually really good. I have used their, I believe it's called the Waterfall cream. Waterfall, I can't remember the exact name of it, but I used that and finished the entire tub. Currently, I'm also using their, this is called the Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum. So this is the latest thing that I'm trying from Saturday Skin. But yeah, so Saturday Skin used to be available in store for me at my local Sephora, but they have pulled it from my particular store. I don't know if it just wasn't selling well in store. The products are still available online though, so if you want this, you'll have to order it online. This one is an online exclusive. So, like I said, I've used 3 of these, and these are amazing, you guys. So they're $6 each. They say that this is a natural microfiber mask packed with prebiotics and probiotics for a potent boost in radiance and helping enhance the look of healthy skin. I did a video, gosh, was it a couple months ago now, where I talked about the benefits of both prebiotics and probiotics in skincare. I am a huge advocate of probiotics and prebiotics internally. I think that everyone should be taking a probiotic. It has honestly just helped me immensely with a lot of issues that I've had. I don't think that I have a really sensitive gut per se, but I can have some gut issues from time to time. Those are virtually non-existent when I take a probiotic regularly. Eczema probiotics, when I take them on a regular basis, I have much fewer outbreaks of eczema. I just feel like they kind of help balance the entire system inside, and they have some really great benefits for the outside of your body as well. So if you missed that video, I will link it down below, or just go Google benefits of probiotics and prebiotics for the skin. You're gonna find all sorts of information, and I just honestly can't give enough props to probiotics and prebiotics because they just make such a difference for me personally in my life. So I was really excited to try these masks. They're kind of fun. They come with stickers, so I always give these to Stella. They're just cute little clouds. But this particular mask is incredibly soothing. So the skin type that they say this is good for is basically every skin type, and I would agree with that. Normal, dry, combination, oily, really sensitive skin. I think you can really benefit from this mask because it's so soothing. The skincare concerns that this is supposed to address are dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. There are no SLS or SLES in this mask. There's no parabens, formaldehyde releasing agents, phthalates, mineral oil, retinol palmitate, oxybenzone, coal tar, hydroquinone, tericlosan. Contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrances. But I will say, This didn't have a smell at all. When I put this on, like, I didn't smell a thing. So I don't know. I don't think this has any fragrance in it, but anyway, I couldn't detect anything at all. So they say that probiotics help to boost the look of skin vitality, while prebiotics activate the power of the probiotic infusion. So prebiotics and probiotics really work together as a team to provide the skincare benefits to this whole situation here. So in the research, that if you look it up, you'll see how that interaction takes place and why it's important to have both prebiotics and probiotics in whatever skincare formulation you're using. Cotton extract contains vitamin E and polyphenols for boosted protection and hydration. This is made with 100% natural microfiber, and it adheres softly to the face for optimal absorption. So basically, you take the mask out of here. Obviously, this was the last one that I had, so I don't have it to show you. But it's a typical sheet mask. You put it on, leave it on for 20 minutes. I left mine on for an hour because I was laying in bed and I was watching YouTube videos. It stays put. I could have actually been up and out and about and doing things, because it is one of those masks that it's lightweight and it's so saturated with the like essence or liquid that's in there that it really does stick to the skin very well. It is a mask that when you take it off, you do rub the remainder of the liquid in. It takes a little bit of time for it to fully absorb, but once it does, your skin is so incredibly soft and soothed. I have been using the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Peel Pads, and I am seeing some amazing results from those. But in using them, there is also some dehydration that is taking place in my skin, and I've been trying to add some nourishment back in. This has been a great way to do it. This is certainly a mask that if you really wanted to spoil yourself, you could use it several times a week, but I think it's just a nice one to use maybe like once a week as just a boost of hydration, maybe on a Sunday night before, you know, the work week starts. You just lay in bed and you relax and you put this on your face. You wake up the next morning with the most plumped, just hydrated skin. It feels absolutely incredible, you guys. So this also, by the way, contains niacinamide, which was really appealing to me when I first came across these. As you guys know, niacinamide has been a game-changing ingredient for me in that it has helped to shrink the look of my pores significantly. It's one of those really like powerhouse ingredients that I don't feel like gets enough recognition. If you have not incorporated niacinamide into your skincare routine and you deal with enlarged pores, I would highly encourage you to do so, because it makes such a difference. And I love that they paired it with the pre and probiotics in this particular mask. So yeah, I really enjoy this. I will warn you, there is lemon peel oil in here. I know some people are very like adamant about not using like orange peel oil or lemon peel oil on the skin. I had zero irritation at all. In fact, this just made my skin feel incredible. So just a heads up for those of you that do not care for the citrus the citrus oils in skincare. But anyway, I wanted to let you guys know about this particular mask because, like I said, it is an online exclusive at Sephora. If you are Rouge or VIB, you can certainly pick this up at a discount. If you're already placing an order, I would definitely just toss one of these in there. I'll link it down below. Go read up a little bit more about it. It gets really incredible reviews. Oh no, and it just went away. Oh, I hate when that happens. Saturday Skin. Let's go back to it. By the way, what is this thing they're doing right now where you can spend 300 points and get entered for a chance to win $1 million? What is that? Let's see here. Okay, reviews, yeah. So this has 4.5 stars and the reviews are super, super positive. I mean, the vast majority are obviously 5 stars. Basically, people are saying that it really helps to moisturize and calm their skin. It is fantastic for dry skin. It helps to calm the skin, has helped to lighten some pigmentation, doesn't break people out. It's very comforting. Skin is on cloud 9. Yeah, just really, really good feedback about this one. Someone calls it a winter skin savior. I don't know, you guys. This is fantastic. I'll be picking up more of these for sure myself. I have a few other sheet masks that I still need to do reviews on and that I still need to like kind of use up. So I'll probably end up grabbing some of these when the November VIB sale or November 20% off sale comes around. Because I can certainly hold off and use some of the other ones that I have. But if you've never tried this and you like sheet masks, give this one a go. It's really, really good, you guys. And if you have not picked up the Bright Potion, I can highly recommend this as well. I'll link this down below as well. If you are interested in picking it up, you can certainly grab it at Sephora. This is fantastic for, again, helping to soothe the skin. Really helps with any type of irritation that you might be dealing with, either from breakouts or anything like that. Good stuff. Definitely check this out as well. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and happy shopping if you are Rouge and you are partaking in the sale. I know that I am. So yeah, happy shopping, and let me know if you have used this particular cloud mask and what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.